Mona, come save me, oh. This boy won't kill me. Mona, come save me.
Hey, where my people? When I see this video, one I just watch so. This one Grace, Prophetess Grace, where they for social media, where they do saga. Hey, wonder shall never end. Me, I feel great to my people. Una do well, so na tell they help me tell they share, comment, like. God go bless. Una really appreciate. Una well. This is Untouchable Mama. My people, wonder shall never end. Hey, now so they really talk say, not be everything where they shine and be gold though. Not be everything where you see for social media and be real. Be very careful. Or those people where you will just see that they give you advice, be very careful of them. Or those people where be say they will just dress, paint, they will just they do one kind, you they say, oh, like say na so you just be now. Whereas you don't know say inside house waiting that they pass through, it big past them. Who go be talk and say Prophetess Grace say husband they use until they learn how they take the boss. Who go be talking or who go feel say this woman maybe husband really the boss am for inside house. Hey, my people, sometimes e good make you dey single than when you go inside marriage where be say before you know anything you go finish, you go fit see yourself for inside 6 feet. Be very careful. This video she bring am come out and I know say gbege don dey with Prophetess Grace with Mommy Love. So Mommy Love saying go bring everything come out, everything. As Grace they bring it old for that side, now so Mommy Love they bring her home. So Grace Kukuma just use her hand, come go post this one, come and say Mona come see the video where Mommy Love want go play for pay show. Hey, Grace, may I tell you, my sister, you never born one, you never born two for that. They just they less you like saying tomorrow not day. My people, if you now, I'll put the full video for now, Mona watch am. If you now see her blood, they rush come up for your nose, for your eye. Now wow, may I tell you, now you wear shoe, now you know as it they pay you for inside leg. Not be because of say you want the husband, I want get man. Where be say, now it be my husband, me I they call her my husband. Make shame not they catch me, make people not they look and say I not get husband. You go they bear many things. See people where bear. Many people wey be say dem bear for their husband house waiting where dem go land yourself 6 feet na dem go end and the man go dey enjoy dey go. If you know say your husband dey use it dey learn and dey take dey do bossa for his house, abeg go sister carry your load, don't make you dey run dey go. That kind man dem no dey change oh. We no dey talk about slap oh. Say man slap woman probably no dey. When blood don dey come out for there, run for your dear life. That kind man, nothing go change am. Because when man want beat you, if they beat you like say they beat, if they want fight with a man like him, you will not say that man one day go buy you. Nothing they happen. Nobody go ask him question. What is the need to stay there? What is the need when you go sit down for inside there, that kind of marriage? Because of say shame go catch you. You know what make people laugh you. You never hear say now people where they laugh, now better pass people where they cry. Once they don't cry you, it don't finish oh. Another life not there oh. Another life. Women out there, more than not live on herself, more they use na tell they learn how they tell they do bossa so. More than not agree oh. More than not agree. Not because of anybody doing. My people. When people come they tell na say no worry, the man go change. When you want to change, you don't ever see man where be say they beat woman like say tomorrow no day go lesson like say you know even they think about say maybe you go buy you go person you can't tell you say that kind of person go change. Who tell you say he go change? You know go like change. Now so all those people where be say they talk say he go change. He not been they do like that before and he go change. Now so then do and now they take go another life not there again. Once you don't come out, don't come out for your nose, it don't finish. No another life. Run for your dear life. If you know say any man, even though say na boyfriend, if they do that kind of thing to you, when be say you go make sure say put your hand for your body, blood go come the rush. Come out oh. If you not come out, you are on your own. Not to say people not tell you all because of say you want to be Mrs. Who Mrs. help? Who misses help? And I saw me they talk my if something not good for your body, you go come out and our beneath they take and make parable say he guy man of a be or you work for and I saw it be because for you so say you want to stay there say because of say Mrs. That make you want to stay there. You are on your own. you are on your own. Not to say person not tell you. Oh, my people, mona not the look person. Mona the talk say you want to be like that. Be yourself, because you don't know wetin that person they pass through. For real. Be your own self. I not pray may you want may you be another person. Maybe some people they pray now say they want to be like Grace. They don't know say this Grace wetin they pass through for inside house. All wetin mommy love they talk about her. All na truth. Hey, now wow, all this men wey be say they not they their hand not they let them they keep. If they see women, now so they go use they use blow till they blow for any corner. That kind of person, if he give you for where not supposed to give you, you go see yourself for mortuary. Mortuary, this one not be only slap or we say okay now only slap it give me and it go change. You understand? This one no. How a man go come just let go just lost you. It's again what we make be. Now why my people not the way person no go see for this social media, not the way we not go hear my brothers and sisters. Gracie. Not be because I say I want get husband, may you sit down for where you dey. Oh, you are on your own. Not to say people not tell you. You thank God say you don't fair born one way you don't fair born. You not use your head say they not buy you for there. This one way be say you not even born attitude for there. You not born boy for there. You want just collect your life. You not go run for your dear life. Now you know say anything where we see for social media, we go try to talk as it be. Who like it take, who not like it not take. Because of say love they kill you, they go. You go say I not go come out, it go change. My sister, see many people where be say love they kill they go. Where they go end themselves. Now inside 6 feet, now they go end themselves. Picking, they leave her. All because of say I don't want make people laugh me. I don't want me I come out. He love me. I love her. I want to be Mrs. Now my husband. What of that man? That man really love you. Man we really love person. No go beat you to the extent where blood go come the rush come out for your body. No. If man we be say love you, maybe you dey misbehave. If he give you slap and he go even tell you say I'm sorry, it not go happen again. That one na only slap. Oh. Not be the one where go just be say he go just open his eye. Blood go come the rush come out for your body, and you go come dey do video say mona come help me. Oh, this man want buy me. You not go use your leg take run. Now person go tell you say make you run for there. Use your leg take run. Make full outside. Look for better one. You go see. Look for better one. You go see. Now make can they talk on the time say before you get married, mona first stay together to see if the character is they okay with two of our character they together. Otherwise, look at whether the man still love you as you love him. Not because of say you love the man, you just carry they go. Now they cause all these things. So misunderstanding, they don't know themselves. If they still they cause them. He said because of say the man they carry women for outside. He talk to her. Now the man say, hey, who send you? May you talk. I go put the video Mona listen. Mona share this video for others to learn. Be yourself. Look for man where be say love you. Not be the one where be say now you love and pass. And you go do heaven and hurt. The man not care. He not care. Go see they maltreat you. Not care. Mona see Grace now. He don't use the hand. Say bring the video. May we see him. Say see what he there for inside a house. Inside a house. I know say all marriage not perfect. But to the extent where man go come they use you like this. They beat you. My people. I beg you run for your life. Oh. Mona help me share this video now. Bye. May I put the video for now?
That's why you go keep me for us finish. You go say they don't be. Mona come save me. Mona come save me. This boy won't kill me. Mona come save me.